Welcome to your 10-minute practice routine for insane improvements. We are about to squeeze maximum results from just 10 minutes. No excuses. A quick, powerful routine anyone can conquer, regardless of experience, that levels up your skills. Let's go. Place your right hand, thumb on C, and gently play C, D, E, F, G, up and back down. Nice and steady. We do this for the first minute. One more time. Nice and steady. The left hand, just rest it on your lap for now. Nice and relaxed. One more time. All right. So now wake up your left hand, minute 2 and 3, thumb on C and pinky on lower C. Match between them, lower C pinky, higher C thumb, over and over and building steady pulses. So also here, very important, nice and steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play, rest, play, rest, play, rest, play, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's add a tiny hop in your left wrist so it feels bouncy. And that's your foundation. All right. 2 more. Now it's time to get both hands involved without overwhelming you. Keep the left hand marching. Pinky, thumb. So, position the right hand, and the right hand gently repeats that warm-up pattern from C to G, up and back down. Let's try this together. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And we try to do this nice and steady. Left hand keeps it steady, while the right hand climbs up and down. At first it feels tricky, right? But that's where the magic happens. Keep breathing. Keep the tempo chill. Yeah, and by the end of this minute, you should get a sense of grooving forming. Okay. Great. A quick applause. And then we are ready for a new trick. And here's a brand new ear-catching phrase. The right hand plays E, F, G, stepping up, and then hops back to E. It's short and sweet. It's E, F, G, E. E, F, G, E. Practice that loop a few times alone. Match it with your left hand's march. And here we still have pinky C, thumb C. So this result is surprisingly cool. Mini hook. A little faster. It's a perfect hand coordination exercise. And once you nail a cycle or two, pause and laugh. Isn't this great? So if you really like this, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps tremendously. And I also do have a free piano course for beginners where we go step by step through the beginnings of learning the piano. It's perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend it. It's free. It comes with an ebook and also with a bonus course, which is a little advanced, but it's free for now and you can use it later in your piano journey. The link is down in the video description. You get to my website where you can sign up for free. And I'm looking forward to see you there. So thanks so much for your support. And pause the video real quick. Grab this and then we go on. All right, welcome back. Let's go on. Level up the hook. Now we step it a notch. Just tad. Keep the left hand going the same way. But for the right hand, replace that last note E with D occasionally. So instead of E, F, G, E, you might do E, F, G, D. Swap E and D whenever you like. This adds variety, sounds fancy, and is still beginner friendly. We are not overcomplicating it, just spicing it up. Let's check this out. E and now D. A little faster. It's not as easy as it looks, right? Take your time, slow down if you need, and then we go on with the next performance run. For the final exercise, it's time for the performance. Keep your best relaxed tempo and play your left hand march with confidence. And right hand alternates between your warm up, that was C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, and that hook like E, F, G, E or E, F, G, D. So I slow it down first and then we do it faster again. So, ready? We have the first performance. I go to that hook. Variation on D and warm up. Now hook, E and hook, D. Now I mix it up. So the possibilities are endless, and as an example, I play this now a little faster for you. So, and also, if you're ready for the last bonus thing, you can use any note, any of these 5 notes, but keep it nice and steady, and it can sound like this. right. And that's it. Imagine your own stage, rock in a mini tune, smile, enjoy it, and celebrate each measure. That's your daily 10-minute plan. Congrats! You've just crushed an entire practice routine in 10 minutes. Come back tomorrow and do it again. You'll be amazed how fast you improve. No excuses. So I'll see you tomorrow, and when you're ready, here's the next video for you.